Facebook's algorithm for deciding what Reels to show you is based on various factors, including your past behavior on the platform, the engagement level of the Reels, and the information available about the Reels. Facebook uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to analyze your interactions with the platform, including your search history, liked and shared posts, and time spent on specific pages to determine your interests and preferences. The engagement level of the Reels, such as likes, comments, shares, and views, also plays a role in the algorithm. Reels with higher engagement are more likely to be recommended to you. The information available about the Reels, including the location, hashtags, and captions used, can also influence what Reels are shown to you. Facebook may also prioritize Reels from accounts and creators that you frequently engage with, as well as Reels that are trending or popular among your friends or network.